Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the print job sample, or how to print a sample of your job and setting up a report. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, this is going to be a mini series on the print feature. And this will only work if you have obviously a project open. So if you have everything closed, it's not going to give you this option at all. So make sure you have your project open. Now, there's two ways we can go about this. The first way is we can use on our primary toolbar. We can select the print button from here. Or we can go to File and we go to Print under Save. I'll just zoom in so you can see that better. Now, after we've clicked one of these, I'm going to use the primary toolbars one. We're going to be met with, sorry, it's the wrong one, not flat parts, go Print. We're going to be met with this report little dialog box. Now, we've got three different settings we can set here: FO, customer, and description. Now, the FO is a fabrication order, that's what it stands for. So this will pretty much be, you can almost have like the serial number for the job. This will normally be numbers. I'm just gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just for the so we can preview it afterwards. The customer, this is where you'll obviously put in your customer's name. I'm gonna just say am.co.za, and then the description will be kind of the description of the current project. So I'm just going to make this test tutorial, like small t, and then we'll do this on printing. Okay, so we'll make that our description. Obviously, you'll put in whatever is relevant for your current job. Say OK, and then let me just drag us to our main monitor, and then we'll be met with the actual printing features and a few different options, but we'll be covering that in another video. Otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we go to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.